Alright, so I got my spinner rod here so I can throw a little bit of smaller stuff out. There's a big bass right there. I'm gonna try and catch his attention. Oh! Hooked one instantly. Instantly. Tire yourself out, buddy. Yep. Look at him. Woo! Bring me the pliers, sweetie. Look at that. Nice bass there.